Hi guys! Today we're gonna prepare natural cleaning products. For cleaning the sink, we're gonna make a preparation. The ingredients are lemon juice, water, and baking soda. Pour a little of baking soda and mix it on a bowl very well. Then put the lemon juice and mix it again. Finally, wash the sink of water and dry it with paper towel.
For cleaning the windows, we are gonna use vinegar and water. Now, to prepare, we are going to use pour equal amounts of vinegar and water into a spray bottle. Spray your windows and wipe them clean with paper towels. Thanks for attention.